5 Best Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Here is the product number 5 Carbon Monoxide Detector. Brand name, HITOSINO. Type, Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Model number, Thulium JDK606A. Model type, Carbon Monoxide Detector. Powered, 9V battery not included. Sensor, semiconductor sensor. Model no, Thulium JDK606A. Comply with KERUI certification. Here is the product number for KERUI LED Digital. Brand name, KERUI. Type, Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Model number, KRGD17. Is _ customized, yes. Type, Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Feature 1, LED Digital Display. Feature 2, work for KERUI's alarm system. Feature 3, work independent. Here is the product number 3 High Sensitive Home Security. Type, Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Model number, Co-Sensor. Brand name, Fuers. Method of use, independent use. Within 60 till 90 minutes at 50 ppm code concentration. Within 10 till 40 minutes at 100 ppm code concentration. Within 3 minutes at 300 ppm code concentration. Here is the product number to Fuers High Sensitive Co-Gas. Brand name, Fuers. Password, keyboard, no. Powered, 3*AA battery. Video interface, no. Display, yes. Model number, JKD6021. Size, 100*100*35 mm. Communication interface, wireless. Here is the product number 1 LCD close sensor work. Brand name, Domestic. Type, Carbon Monoxide Detectors. Model number, company is _ customized, yes. Sensitivity/alarm time, within 60 till 90 minutes at 50 ppm code concentration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.